Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series. And in this task, we need to create a private Elastic Container Registry to store Docker image and use Amazon Elastic Container Service to deploy the application. This process involves building Docker image from given Docker file, and we need to push this image to ECR and then setting up an ECR cluster to run application. First, we need to create a private repository. Then in this particular directory, which is slash root slash py app, there is docker file and index.html file. We need to run, we need to build this file, build a docker image from this docker file, and then we need to run containers as Elastic Container Service. So this is docker file which basically copies index.html to Nginx server, and it will serve a custom Nginx page which is index.html file. So this page will be served by Docker container. So let's forward to the task. First we need to create a private ECR repository, copy the name of repository, log into AWS console, search for ECR, which means Elastic Container Registry, and it is fully managed Docker Container Registry. Here we need to create a repository. Click on create repository, and the name of repository will be DevOps ECR, and rest of the setting will remain same. Click on create. Our repository is created. Now we need to build Docker image, from this file, and then push Docker image to this ECR repository. For this, select this, click on view push commands, and these are the steps. First we need to log in, paste this command, login succeeded. Then we need to build Docker image. Docker image is created. Verify Docker images. If Docker is installed, yes, image is created. And now we need to tag this as latest. And the final step is we need to push this image to ECR repository. So step 1 and step 2 are completed. Let's configure to create an ECS cluster named DevOps cluster. Close this. Verify the images there. ECS, Elastic Container Service, and we need to create a cluster. Create cluster, and the name of the cluster will be DevOps cluster, and this is of Fargate only, which means it is serverless. We do not need to manage this cluster by ourselves. AWS will manage it. Click on create. So this cluster is in creation process. Meanwhile, we need to create a task definition file. So click on task definitions, click on new task definition, click on this. So task definition file is like a blueprint that tells Elastic Container Service how to run containers and its specifications, its CPU, its networking, and all those aspects. So the name of the task definition will be DevOps task definition. And remember, we need to use the same Docker image which we pushed into our ECR repository. Launch type will be AWS Fargate. Here we need to provide operating system, which is Linux in this case. And CPU will be 0.5 and memory is 1 GB minimum we needed. And then the name of container will be Nginx container because it's serve Nginx page. Image repository, for image repository click on browse ECR images and choose repository. This is the repository that we created, and this is the Docker image inside this. Select image, and then we need to specify port. Hence our, in this image, let's verify the port from Docker file. Here you can see that it is exposing this container to port 80. So it is already selected, and this is it. Click on create. Task definition is created. Now we need to create a service. A service is basically where we run our Docker containers in AWS. Click on cluster, select this cluster, and click on create service. So the task definition family in our case is DevOps task definition. Select this, and service name will be DevOps service. Copy the name, and compute option will be launch type of Fargate, and on networking, this is default VPC. In subnets, let's go with at least 3 subnet. Remove the remaining one. So USD is 1A, B, and C. We need to create a security group so that our container can be served on web. So name as DevOps Service Security Group, and the port will be HTTP so that it can serve web traffic anywhere IPv4, and this is it. Create. This will take few minutes. We have to wait until then. Now our service is active. So let's click on our service, go to tasks, and this is our task which is running Docker container. Click on this and copy the public IP and paste. Let's verify our task. The task is finished by saying congratulations, you have successfully completed the challenge, but there is an issue in the public IP.